Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a bolt that's hard to get off without even having to use a breaker bar. Let's get started. So what we have here, we have a bolt that is extremely tight. So if you put a wrench on it, and as you can see it's a tight squeeze, you can't even get a ratchet in there. So if we try to put this on here, let me see if I can get it on there. You're not going to get that off. Ugh. That's way too tight. So it all depends on what you're doing. In this case, we're trying to take the bolt off, so we're going up this way. So what you're going to want to do is lock on like this. So that way you pull up. If you were tightening one on, then you would come this way, and then you'd push it down that way. So either way, you're looking to get that extra leverage to make this bar longer, like a breaker bar, and then you can either go up or down if you're tightening or loosening a bolt. Yep. So we have this on, so we're going to take this, lock it on this way, use that extra leverage. There you go. Took it right off. Alright, well that pretty much wraps up this video on how to make your own breaker bar just out of putting two wrenches together. I hope this video helped you out. Please send any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate the support, so please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.